Today, we're talking about Nulytely With Flavor Packs, which contains PEG, polyethylene glycol, with electrolyte. This medication is used to cleanse the intestines before certain bowel exam procedures, like colonoscopies or barium enema X-rays. It acts as a laxative by drawing large amounts of water into the colon, resulting in watery bowel movements. This helps to clear stool from the intestines, allowing your doctor to better examine them during your procedure. The recommended daily dosage and optimal timing for taking Nulytely With Flavor Packs will depend on your specific medical situation, so be sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. Some brands of this product come with a medication guide. If available, read the medication guide provided by your pharmacist before you start taking this product. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Follow any special diet instructions provided by your doctor. Do not eat solid food, usually starting on the day before your procedure until after your procedure. This product must be mixed with water as directed before use. Carefully read and follow all directions to mix this product. After mixing, place the container in the refrigerator. Chilling the mixed liquid will improve its taste. This product may cause certain liquid thickeners to not work well, which may increase the risk of choking. If you are using liquid thickeners with this product, talk to your pharmacist to select a liquid thickener which will not interact with this product. The dosage is based on your medical condition, procedure, and response to treatment. Drink the mixture by mouth as directed by your doctor. It is best to drink the mixed liquid quickly instead of sipping slowly. The mixture may also be given through a nose-to-stomach, nasogastric, tube. Follow the specific directions given by your doctor for when and how much to drink. Be sure to finish drinking the amount directed by your doctor. Watery bowel movements usually begin within 1 hour after you start to drink the mixed liquid. Drink plenty of clear liquids as directed by your doctor to prevent becoming dehydrated. Avoid taking other medications by mouth within 1 hour before you start taking this product. Doing so may make the other medication work less well. Ask your doctor or pharmacist if you are not sure when to take your other medications. If you experience any of the following side effects while taking Nulytely With Flavor Packs, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist right away. These side effects include nausea, bloating, feelings of fullness in the stomach or abdomen, stomach or abdominal cramps, vomiting, and anal irritation. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's important to contact your doctor if you experience severe or persistent stomach or abdominal pain, vomit that is bloody or looks like coffee grounds, chest pain, fainting, fast or irregular heartbeat, sudden shortness of breath, bloody stools, rectal bleeding, seizure, or signs of kidney problems such as changes in the amount of urine. Additionally, seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects not listed here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before taking Nulytely With Flavor Packs, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to it or any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's best to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Before using this medication, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have certain stomach or intestinal problems, trouble swallowing, a history of vomiting easily or often, heart problems, kidney problems, seizure disorder, or mineral imbalances. If you are planning to have surgery, it's crucial to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Children may be more sensitive to the side effects of Nulytely With Flavor Packs, especially dehydration. For infants, it's better to use the solution at room temperature. Children younger than 2 years old may be more likely to develop low blood sugar from not eating, so it's important to seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms of low blood sugar in your child. During pregnancy, this medication should only be used when clearly needed, so it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When taking Nulytely With Flavor Packs, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions could affect how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication routine. If someone has taken too much Nulytely with Flavor Packs and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. It is crucial to act quickly in these situations to ensure the individual receives the necessary medical attention. It is important to remember not to share Nulytely with Flavor Packs with anyone else. This medication is prescribed specifically for you and should not be used by anyone else. Sharing this medication can be harmful and may not be safe for others. Always keep this medication out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to using Nulytely with Flavor Packs, it's important to understand its uses. Nulytely with Flavor Packs is a medication that is used to clean out the colon before a colonoscopy. It works by causing diarrhea, which helps to empty the colon. This medication is typically taken the evening before your colonoscopy, and you may be instructed to take it in divided doses. It's important to follow your healthcare provider's instructions carefully when using Nulytely with Flavor Packs. Always take it exactly as prescribed, and don't forget to drink plenty of clear liquids before, during, and after taking this medication to help prevent dehydration. If you have any questions about how to use Nulytely with Flavor Packs, be sure to ask your healthcare provider for guidance. The storage requirements for Nulytely with Flavor Packs may vary depending on the brand. Be sure to check the product package or consult your pharmacist for specific instructions on how to store this medication. It's important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless directed to do so. Instead, properly discard Nulytely with Flavor Packs when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on the proper way to dispose of this medication. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.